Hello, Sisenji fam. You're welcome to this episode of Property Tour, another video on this channel. Today, I'll be taking you guys on a tour to a 4-5 bedroom detached house with moderate sized garden in Essex, London by Pasture Developers. And I'm so excited to bring you guys along. Have a look around in this property with me. I love property tours, so it's my pleasure showing and sharing this with you guys. So come on, let's go. Stick around, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside. Ciao. So we're here to view the house. Yeah, I'm good.
So looking for a new car today.
Sorry?
Well, you come in. We're actually here in number 38.
Okay.
39 is the show home next door, and 40 is where our car park is.
Okay.
So there will be a house built there.
Okay. So you guys are still building though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, our first completions are the end of this month.
Okay.
The whole site should be finished by the end of next year, end of 26.
Okay. Would there be 5 bedroom coming up as well?
Yeah, there's a mixture. So we have a couple in this side, because everything this side that's behind us here, you can see.
Okay.
That's all for completions between now and sort of Christmas time.
Okay.
And then from the car park over, going down to the traffic lights.
Okay.
That's next year, so from January to the end of 26. Okay. So there's a mixture.
Okay, good.
But there's no furniture in this. We're just using it as our office.
Yeah.
But you can at least get an idea of the room sizes.
So, but would this be sold later as well?
This will, again, this one has got someone against it already.
Okay.
They want to be on the front. They don't need to sell, so they're willing to wait until this one is ready.
So is this supposed to be the sitting area?
It will be the sitting, and there's a wall to go where this is. There's a wall to go here. The door.
There's a what?
Into the living room, and then there's a study to be built into the front here.
Oh, okay.
So this isn't one big room.
Okay.
They've just left it open because we're using it as our office.
Okay.
Then you've got a kitchen diner through to a utility room.
Okay.
And then upstairs you've got the 5 bedrooms and bathroom towards.
So this is what all the 5 bedroom looks like.
This is one, yeah. We've got 2 different types.
Oh wow, this is huge. Nice.
Next door, the 4-bed show home is fully furnished.
Okay.
Whereabouts are you at the moment? Oh, okay, house is not far.
Yeah, not far from here. Yeah. Oh, this is the laundry. Nice.
Yeah, and then through.
Oh, there's a toilet here, which is nice. There's another toilet in here. And another door that goes into the garden, which is nice. The garden is big, but not as big as ours right now, though. Yeah.
Have you got your priorities? Yeah.
We got ours. That's or rent it. All depends on.
Let's switch it to the let to buy.
Let to buy.
So that's when you find the right thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So.
You're welcome to have a look upstairs.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So we're upstairs. That's London, which is okay.
That's the first room. Oh my god, it's like it's great.
Okay, so this is the first bedroom. Oh, it comes with its own wardrobe. Nice. Oh, it has an ensuite, which is nice. So it's got its own shower and bath, and the radiator on the wall, which is not bad. The room is small though. And there's another family bathroom on here. Oh, all the bedrooms are on one floor. Alright. So the wardrobe can actually be on this side. It's the second bedroom.
You bedroom for wardrobe in it and bathroom.
UK bathroom houses are always so small.
Hey, at least it's bigger than
And this is the second room. Oh god, this is small. This is meant to be an office. Small.
one bed here and then
And this is the third bedroom. There's no wardrobe in this one.
yeah.
All of them, only that room has wardrobe. The house, it's got storage here, which is nice. That's where the boiler is. Is there a light on there?
No, not that I see.
Okay, well, that's just the boiler and storage. And this looks like, for the masters, it's small. For a 5-bedroom house, it's very small. Yeah, the shower is beautiful though. And that's what I'm trying to do for our bathroom at home at the moment. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. And still open bridge. That's the wardrobe. Oh, the bathroom light. This. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's more. Hi. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Oh, there's another storage here. Storage in here. This is the size of our own boiler storage section. So that means this got, there's a bathroom in this one, right?
Yeah.
So this is, yeah, so that's one bath. That's what the stairs looks like. Back to my channel. We're here to view a 4-bedroom. We've just seen the 5 bedrooms. We're here to see the 5-bedroom apartment. So come have a view with us, okay? So we're here to view a 4-bedroom. So come with me. From the entrance, you've got the foyer, the hallway, and a storage section over here, right? And we've got the sitting room on the right over here. We've got that. We've got the bay door. This is what the sitting room looks like. Okay, nice artwork, beautiful mirror. Love the coffee table. We've got 2 seaters, 2 singles, and the TV stands. Come on. And on the hallway, we've got this beautiful light up here. We've got painting on here, and over here, we've got the visitor's toilet right here. And this hallway leads into the dining section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seaters, and the patio door, or the doors that leads into the garden. Come have a look at the garden. That's the view of the garden. Yeah, this is the beautiful dining. And this is a beautiful curtain. And that's the way to the garden. We've got this beautiful lamp light, standing light. nice chandelier and the dining section. The beautiful artwork on the wall. Leading from here into the beautiful, spacey kitchen. An electric cooker. Got your drawers for your spoons, for your cutleries, for your planting pots and plates. Up here, a lot of cabinet space. On here, here the sink. Got a dishwasher right here. And more space over here. A beautiful clock on the wall. And over here, we've got the microwave and the cooker. And above is more storage. Below, more storage. And over here we've got the freezer and we've got the fridge as well. On here, all this comes with the house. And over here we've got extra storage on here, enclosed laundry space section. And in here you could have your coffee display or obviously your laundry section. And have your dryer right here. While the washing machine is right here to your beautiful laundry. Fold your clothes, you can put some rails for hanging stuff in there as well. So this is the laundry section. Okay, come on, let's go upstairs. And going up the stairs, you've got the artwork painting on the wall. Got rug on the carpet. I got this gigantic, massive mirror up here. This beautiful mirror. As you get to the landing, you have that. And then you've got nice picture frames on here, good aesthetics on here. So we start with the first bedroom, which is this one. It's a small single bedroom, lovely artwork. Love the color, black, white, and a pinch of colors here and there. That's a single bed, mirror, and a dresser. Yeah. And over here, which I love, and this is what is giving the room a good smell. Have a look at that. Oh, it smells divine. I love it. I love the decor. I love this. This is gorgeous. There's a little nice clock, table clock as well. This beautiful aesthetical mirror with the small dresser drawers in here as well. So to the third room. Oh, so beautiful. I love color coded tiles. So you got that on the wall. You got a mirror, radiator. You got the bath with a nice painting above. But what I love most in this bathroom, which is not very common in the UK bathroom, is this. Storage in the bathroom for your towels, for your duvets. Beautiful. That is something you don't get in most UK homes, but this is fantastic. You're in the bathroom, you have your extra towels in here to use. This one over here is the third bedroom, which is gorgeous. Love the beautiful chandelier lights, love artwork, beautiful bed, two bedside, lovely window view, with the nice blinds, and you've got this lovely chair, which is very common now. It's a very common chair. I know this is from IKEA. This beautiful mirror with a single wardrobe and drawers in this room. That's it for this room. A beautiful foyer hallway into the fourth bedroom. Here is the fourth bedroom with beautiful view of the garden. And then we've got the lamp, we've got two artwork, a beautiful mirror over there, and another beautiful artwork behind you, over there as well. And you've got the garden view. The garden view, you've got the mirror, you've got the artwork, you've got two bedsides, and you've got the beautiful bed as well. Beautiful. And this is the fourth bedroom, and up above is the beautiful light as well, which is gorgeous. And I love this as well. This is beautiful. It's artificial, which is nice. I love that as well. This is beautiful. That's the frame, and in the frame is this, which is beautiful. I like that. So this is the 4th bedroom, which takes us back into the foyer and then the landing way. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed viewing this 4-bedroom beautiful house with us, and hope you stay tuned for more. So let's go back downstairs. So that's the showroom we just saw, 4-bedroom showroom. And that's the garage over there. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, thank you. So we've seen it.
No problem.
Yeah. The 4-bedroom, which rooms are the biggest here?
Yeah. So the Hornbeam is the 5-bed. It's bigger than this one.
Okay.
The bedrooms are a little bit bigger, and then you've got that's the beach, the show home.
Okay.
And then we do have the Chestnut,
Okay.
which is a 4-bed, slightly bigger. But again, we've got names against all of those.
Okay.
But if you say it's an option, we can always make a note.
Okay.
And then if any of those don't go through, then you'll be the first person we
To
call.
know. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the design though.
How
Yeah.
was this one?
I like that color because
That's
it's great. It's not the normal usual big UK.
Yeah. I think they're going to be more the red brick.
Okay.
That's just because they build them at all different
Different
sizes.
size.
So the pictures are just in.
I really like the horn
finish that one.
Okay.
But yeah,
So-
you've got all of those floor plans and room measurements in the brochure there. There's a copy of the site plan, so it tells you what block is where.
Okay.
And that's the same. This side is this year, and then as you go to the point, that goes towards
All
the
the
end
way
of
there.
next year. So
Okay.
yeah, so if you
So how many more are you guys still building?
there's going to be 47 private.
Oh, okay.
homes here, yeah.
How many do you have right now?
We've only got a couple available at the moment on what's released, but as I said, there's more to be released.
Okay.
Sort of they trickle them out to us as the build goes.
Are they all going to be the same design?
All of these up here,
Yeah.
it's a mixture of all of these
Okay.
that are across the site.
So this is a 3-bed.
That's a 3-bed, yeah.
Okay. So this is the one with you. Yeah, that's a garage over there. I even like that this one has its own single garage, separate.
Yeah.
I like the design of this one with the windows. I love the windows. Beautiful. So guys, we viewed the showroom right there.
Oh no.
We viewed a 4-bedroom and a 4-bedroom showroom, which is this one here. And then we've also viewed the office, which is meant to be a 5-bedroom. And then we've showcased this to you guys. Hopefully we'll get to view another one. So stay tuned with us and make sure you like, subscribe, share and comment. Take care. Bye-bye. For staying to the end of the video, if you like videos like this, our store videos, make sure you leave a comment. And if you need further information regarding the developers, all link will be left at the description below. Thank you. Bye.